Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a very quick guide on how you can connect your Exness to TradingView. This is useful for forex traders who want live charting, alerts, and direct trading from TradingView. So the first thing that you will have to do is of course log into your TradingView account, and once you're here, you will just have to select the chart of your choice, and then you will just have to select full chart, and you will just have to wait for it to load. And once you're here, you will just have to click find broker in order to look for Exness. So just go ahead and search Exness. But of course, you do have to make sure that Exness is available on your trading view, or it's available for your country or whatsoever. So anyway, once you see Exness, you will just have to click that, and then you will just have to click connect, and then of course you will have to fill out your needed details. So they may ask you for your username and password or something like that, and then of course you will just have to enter your correct credentials in order for you to connect it properly to TradingView. And yeah, that's basically just it, and I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.